Hi, I'm Larry Wagner with Leave the Key Homebuyers. We're local cash homebuyers and we buy all over the town of North Hempstead and Hempstead. We're not a national chain or a pushy realtor. If you live in the town of Hempstead, you want to work with someone who knows your neighborhood. I grew up in Nassau County for over 30 years and I know the feel and the style of the different areas, such as the historic Gold Coast on the North Shore to maybe Roosevelt Field in the middle and Lido and Long Beach on the South Shore. That's one of the reasons why so many homeowners in the town of Hempstead trust us when it comes time to sell their home. We buy directly for cash. When you sell to us, there's no waiting for a buyer, no repairs, no cleaning or open houses, and there's no realtor commissions. Get simplicity and certainty with our fair cash offer and choose your closing date. It really takes the stress out of selling. I was in Long Beach recently. I got a call to buy a home that had damage all the way back from Sandy. And the house at this point was almost a tear down. We figured it just was gonna make the non-tear down level what's required. And we made a cash offer. The homeowner accepted it on the spot. And in 2 days, we were in contract and we closed in just about 6 weeks. They were thrilled. So if you're in the town of Hempstead and thinking about selling, we'd love to help you too. Contact us for a no pressure offer on your home at leavethekey.com.